This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got this variety from Japan. It came in a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. And this is... It's Acecook shrimp Tensoba. Yes. So, just to let you know, there's gonna be sardines. It's my new thing. Playing with sardines. There's gonna be water. And for 3 minutes, and a lid. That's a pretty good deal. For the amplifier and the tuner, get out of town. Okay, so we got Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotes by the guy who invented instant noodles. So, we're getting there. Handy bookmark tassel. Quote number 49. You can find tips for identifying consumer needs and reading the Times in every corner of your daily life. I can get with that. I still have to say my favorite one is good old number 42. Think and think and think. When I beat my brains, I pass blood in my urine. That's my absolute favorite Momofuku Endo quote so far. And we're like barely a sixth of the way through this book. So yeah, I'm jazzed. That's a weird one. It's pretty good. So, yeah, sardines. I like them. They're pretty healthy, too. My brother was telling me this morning how, I was like, yeah, sardines. I was thinking, I wonder if he can eat sardines. He's Jewish, and he follows the food requirements very, very strictly. So, he's what you call Hasidim. And so they've got stuff dealing with like you can't like this pot, for example. He couldn't eat something prepared in it that was prepared in that pot because it's had milk and meat products in it. I think that's, correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, that's. And he told me once why. And because it's like, you hear these things like, well, why is that? You know, there's no weird answer. There's like, actually, there's a kind of logical answer to it seemed like. So, yeah. The more you know. And the children are acting like psychopaths out in the living room. Alright. Hey, you be nice out there. I'll have to come out there and do something. Usually when it sounds like one has struck the other, something like that usually takes care of business. Do I often come out and do something? Usually if I come out there, I, like this. It usually takes care of business. Usually I don't even need to go that far. Yeah, I tell them that they're not going to get something that they enjoy, and then they have a freak out, and that's that. So. Come on. Ouch. A lot of seaweed in here. So this one is going to be interesting because I do like sardines, but this is like a buckwheat soba with shrimp flavor. And anytime I've had anything even remotely like that, just haven't been a fan. Boing, 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 boing. But I'll try it. A lot of seaweed taste. I'm not really getting a heck of a lot of the, what do you call it, the shrimp. Although I thought I saw some shrimp in there when I was, here's a little nugget. Unsure of that. And unsure of what I just ate. Yeah. Okay, that was shrimp. That was shrimp with shell on it. Add this to the bowl. Hey, no hitting. That's all I can stand. I can't stand no more. Sorry about that. That wasn't what I was trying to do. I was probably trying to go. That didn't even work either. I can do this. Anyways, move this over here because it's time to bring forth our friend, the shrimp. And actually, let's do the egg first. And not shrimp. I meant sardine. This must be one I did. That's like, yeah. Yeah, my wife's eggs come out absolutely beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Mine are the product of not being good with eggs. They're like that, kind of fake it a little. Get them, yeah, get them a little wet. They'll kind of glisten. Okay, now let's get these guys on here. Come on, you. Work with me, little fishy. Mimi tried one of these the other day. She wasn't really pleased. She spit it out on the floor. But she tried it. That's all I care about. I've spit out many things I disliked in my day. My general thing with the kids, it's like, okay, if you're gonna take a bite, just eat it. Don't spit it out. Just eat the whole thing. I'll give you a little tiny piece, but you gotta eat it. Keep it in. No reversals. Mainly because, you know. Hey! Shush! Good Christ. Now I have to threaten the timeouts. I think that's what we're on to next. You want a timeout? You ready for a timeout? You guys need timed out? Hmm? nice, okay? No hitting. No hitting, okay? You want to eat more fishies? Okay, I don't blame you. You didn't seem to like it yesterday. Alright. Let's add. It's time for you to eat fish, Miles.
Sunday.
Sunday? What happens on Sunday?
Yes, I like Sunday.
Why do you like Sunday? What about Thursday? Do you like Thursday?
I like Sunday.
Oh, what happens on Sunday?
I like Sunday. Sunday was a
It's nice. It's a nice day. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna add this chili flake. And I'm gonna add a little sesame seed. Hold on, buddy. I'm calling that puppy done. I'm calling that sucker done right there. Yeah, I know, I'm being awful weird for a Wednesday. No, I'm not drunk. I'm not on drugs. I'm just trying to get this done. I think it should be more than adequately understood now that I don't care what people think about my weirdness. So, a little closer. Ready, set, go. All right, well, sardines, a lot of sardines. I'm gonna move this over. I don't know how much I like it right now. All right, good to go. Manav's the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one.